everyone, and welcome back to my classroom. My name is Teacher Casey, and it seems like a lot of you like to watch unboxings on my channel. So, some fun upcoming unboxings. Today I have a Stitch Fix, total Stitch Fix. Um, and then also I had reached out to a teaching unboxing crew, and they are going to send me some things to unbox on this channel. So stay tuned for that. I can't wait to be in collaboration with them as well. So without further ado, let's check out this Stitch Fix box. Now, I just got this box actually like 2 days ago, and I haven't opened it. I just took the tape off and right before I started this video. So I'm opening it now. I do like how Stitch Fix always comes in this neat little like packaging. It's only brown paper, but it just seems to keep everything nice and neat. It's not falling out and unfolding, so it looks really nice. So, all right, let me take out the pieces. You have some papers. I'll tell you all about them. You have the bag to send your things back and your clothes. Ta-da! All right, it says instantly buy styles that go with what's in your fix. So super cool. What I do need to look up is what the credit is for you guys. So new Stitch Fix customers actually get a percentage off or a dollar amount. Usually it's $25. I think as of today, July 20th, 2021, I think it's still $25, but I will check and I'll put it in this video. So let's look. All right. You guys would rather see the items than all the paperwork, right? All right, so the bag to send it back, don't need that right now. This is just like a little flyer saying you can shop by category. And then the actual important stuff is in a little envelope. And then I have all the sizes and the prices on here. And then they always send me a card with like items that match the items. So, all right, let's look. The first one is, oh, that's cute. It's a pink tank top. It's very wrinkly. I'm gonna need to iron that one. So, how many of you like always iron your clothes? Am I like alone that I see something that comes in wrinkled and I'm like, ugh, how often am I going to wear that? So, but I do like tank tops. I love the back that it has this little funky, kind of like a rope style to it. It is soft. I love soft fabric. Let's see. This is a large and it's called Roxanne Knot Back. So let's see what we've got. I did change my sizes. I think before I was getting extra large and I switched to large. I'm excited about that, but I don't know if I'm between sizes or so we'll have to see. All right, so the Roxanne Knot is by Market and Spruce. Pink, large, $34. So this is $34. Now remember, when you get the Stitch Fix, you don't necessarily pay those prices if you buy all of them, and I'll explain that in a minute. All right, this one is Ampton Back Detail Knit Top, dark gray. So this is a t-shirt, a knit top. You guys know I am not a perfectionist, nor am I good with styling. That's why I go to Stitch Fix and makeup. So, you know, I'm not into beauty and things, but I need some cute clothes, but I just don't do well shopping for myself. So I do like the back on this little metal piece. I guess I could show you a little bit better. That's the back. And then again, the front has that V. So I do like that. I kind of wish this color was the tank top, because I was just going to say I don't really like pink, but as I'm looking at what I'm wearing, I'm kind of pinked out. So, okay. Oh, and that one is Ampton Back Detail Knit Top. That one is $34. So let's keep going here. This next one, I kind of like the red. It's kind of a hot, funky color, right? Let me see. Whoop. All right, so that's this one. And I really hope this looks cute on me because I do like it. Guys, I'm having trouble. All right, let me figure out how this one looks. All right, it's got, I'm gonna have to just try these on because it is so funky. Like I can't even hold it up to the camera because it has a fun, what if I show you upside down? Okay, see the crosses at the chest there? Either I'm gonna do some really good editing or you're gonna see some real craziness here, but that's okay. So you can see like it crosses and it's got this material. So I'm gonna have to try it on for you and show you. But I mean, it's kind of cute. I like the color, burgundy. This one is MAC Surplus Top Burgundy. This one is $38 as well. All right, let's see. And then I have navy. Let's see, what are these? Dear John American Classic. Dear John. These are navy shorts. And these are $54. They're gonna have to look super cute for me to pay that much. But like I said, if you buy all 5 or if you buy some, it's different prices. So I'll let you know all about that in just a minute. And these yellow. Okay, guys, I don't have any yellow shorts. I think this would be kind of cute. So let's see. I hope my lighting is okay. We've got a storm rolling in. It looks pretty dark. This is Market and Spruce, Alicia 3-inch embroidered shorts. So that is size 14, $58. So I will try these on and take some pictures and I will show them to you. Yeah, but a little bit before that, let me just tell you about the papers or the pricing, I guess. So basically, if I got all 5 pieces, they are all worth $222. But if you buy all 5, you get 25% off. So it's minus $55.50. So it would be $166.50. Now I pay a styling fee. You can do it every month, 2 months or 3 months. I chose every 3 months to do a Stitch Fix boxing. Let me know if you guys would rather see more of these because it seems to be popular on my channel. You guys want me to go shopping? I don't think my husband's so excited about that, but Stitch Fix has been fun. Let's see. So the styling fee, it minuses the $20 that I pay. So I pay for every 3 months, I pay $20, and then they give it back to me if I keep some of the clothing. So, and shipping is free. So if I bought all of them, it would be $146.50. And then sometimes when you add it up, like, oh, well, I don't want this one piece, and it turns out to be more than if I just got all 5. And then it's kind of like, all right, I'll just get all 5. So for me, $146.50 for 5 pieces. I don't know, what is that, about $30 a piece, maybe? 30 times about 150. Yeah, so it's almost about $30 per piece in the end. So I'll try them on. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like the pink top, the burgundy, the, what do you call this one, gray? The gray top, navy shorts, yellow shorts. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if you've tried Stitch Fix and if you've enjoyed it. And I will also check back and let you guys know what I ended up buying and what the discount is for new Stitch Fix people. It will be an affiliate link below. So basically, if you sign up for Stitch Fix, you get like 25 or whatever they're offering. And then I would get it too. When I started, it was a lot off. It was just happened to be like a surprise. So hopefully we'll have one of those coming up soon, but I'll keep you all posted. All right, see you in a few. All right, so I am moved into my new house and I don't really have a good spot to make a video yet. So hopefully this works and you can see these are the yellow shorts. I do like them. I feel like they're kind of baggy, a lot of material right here. It's probably just the way my body shape is. I do like the fit. They are stretchy. And this is the t-shirt. And yeah, as I come to the camera, I have to step over my puppy. So he is right below me. All right, first outfit, what do you think? And tell me, you know, I've mentioned this before that I'm not very good at coming up with outfits. And what colors would look good with this? Like a pink tank top came, but it didn't look right. It's too pastel-y and stuff for me. What color would I put on with yellow shorts? So, all right, I do like this shirt. I do like the back of it. It's a comfy t-shirt, so. All right, going to try on another one. Okay, friends, this is that red shirt. I like the style of it, although it's very wrinkly, and I don't know if I could iron it out. Maybe put it hanging up in the shower so it gets nice and warm. Maybe that'll help. It's a little bit different for me to have a little bit of my belly showing. These are the navy shorts. Again, I like the feeling of them. The only thing I don't like about them is they have like the hooks here, and I feel like they're going to like break someday. You know, when I went to go put it on, I don't know how strong they are. So I'm not sure. Let me know what you think about that. I feel like I'm ready for 4th of July with navy and red, but I think this top is super cute. Is it okay to wear with a bra strap showing? Like, cause I don't go without a bra. Can I say that on here? I think so. All right, so this is red and blue, and I guess you could wear this together. I have one more tank top to try on. It's the pink one. I'm just gonna keep the same shorts. Okay, so I'm here with the pink tank top. I do like the fun design. The design in the back is really cute. I like the feeling of this. It feels a little bit big for me, which is kind of surprising because it is a large, and a lot of time I wear an extra large. So I would say this shirt runs big. Just the same navy shorts, but with a different tank top. I do like that it hides all of this up here. So, yeah. Tell me, what do you think of the different outfits? I think the red shirt might be my favorite, and I didn't want to keep that because of all the wrinkles. But I think it'll be a cute little top for the summer. All right, everybody, thank you so much for coming. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I have more videos coming out. On my channel, you'll have teaching videos, teacher chats, unboxings. Coming soon are some teacher unboxings as a collaboration. I'm super excited about that. I appreciate you all. Thanks a lot for coming, and I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.